Listen, guys, I know this is going to sound crazy and you probably won't believe me, but I'll tell you anyway. The other day I was working on top of a mountain, just trying to concentrate, lost in my thoughts and lost in my work. I swear I heard the ocean calling me. It sounded like the wind was whispering through the trees, carrying with it something familiar, that whooshy sound of the ocean waves, yeah? Yeah? Something distant, yet something intimate. So it was like a rhythm, like a pulse. And at that moment, I realized that I was overworking myself. And after taking a deep breath, I turned to my family, asked them to pack their bags, and I said, "We're going to Durban."
Monday morning blues, I open my eyes and I'm greeted by a cute little smile. The world is new with you by my side. Everything is beautiful. Tuesday afternoon, I'm calling you home just to hear your voice on the phone. I think of you and I'm on you are everything.
Tell King Shaka I am here. The Rastas. We are not just traveling to Durban. We are stepping into a moment that could become a memory, a story we would tell long after the flight had landed. This journey about shedding the weight of routine, about remembering what it feels like to take a break, stepping onto the sand, and for the first time in a long time, I really felt so present. The thing about answering the call of the sea is that it changes you. It reminds you that sometimes the world speaks to us in ways we don't immediately understand. And if we are willing to listen, to truly listen, we just might find exactly what we were searching for all along. Therefore, from this trip, I made a promise to myself to listen more, to pay attention to the small voices in my head, to listen to my body, to the calls that don't always make sense, but always lead us somewhere very important. Whether it's the wind, the ocean, or something else entirely absurd and different, perhaps even weird, don't ignore it. Just follow it. Because sometimes what you are searching for isn't a place. It's actually perhaps a feeling that is just waiting for you to find it. And in these calm waves, I totally am finding myself. I am enjoying myself. And you can see my children, they're just enjoying totally. Family time, quality time. Just listen to that voice in your head. It is absolutely worth it.